$998, $999, oh, 1,000. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I don't know if you heard, but I did over 1,000 push-ups. Hey guys, 2020 has been a rough year. I don't think it's any secret. Found ourselves indoors more than ever. The gyms have been closed. And I don't know about you, but I have become very familiar with the food delivery app. I know the guy by name. All that to say, I think we're all looking for a change in the new year and making some healthier choices. So what that looks like starts with exercise and clean eating. Healthier meals is what we're going to talk about today. When it comes to making a healthy meal, it starts with a sharp knife. So we're going to talk about some basics when it comes to knife maintenance, not so much sharpening. And then we're going to make a tasty smoothie. So just like exercise, the key to a sharp knife is consistency. If you show up and start clanging and banging, you might remove some material a little quicker, but the key to long-term results is consistency, showing up on a regular basis. The same can be said for your knife edge. So today we're focusing not so much on sharpening as much as I'm focusing on edge maintenance. And that's where things like a ceramic hone come into play. You might also have one of these in your block. This is a steel that you might use. Most of your knife blocks have those in them. And we're also going to feature a honing wheel that is on a lot of sharpeners out there as well. All are great ways to keep your edge maintained and sharp without having to do a whole lot of work. You see a lot of people in movies like going crazy, swinging at this thing, and it looks cool, but what we're looking for is consistency. And to do that, we're going to take our ceramic hone, put it on the knife block. This one features a coarse and a fine. This knife's already sharp, so we're just going to add a fine hone to it. And this one actually has guides built in. So all I have to do is match the angle of my knife to that guide and draw down on each side. You don't have to do it quick. The key here is light pressure. You can also do this on a steel. The steel usually has a guard that you can actually use as a guide as well to kind of help you maintain an edge. So you hold to the guard, and again, consistency is the key we're looking for here. Keep an even angle and you'll get the result you're looking for. Light pressure and take your time. The other option you have is a ceramic honing wheel found in some sharpeners. And all you're going to do there, this is really simple. Again, light pressure. You're just going to roll your knife through that wheel and it's going to hone for you. So this is probably the easiest method and fastest method to getting your knife honed and ready for use. Consistency is key. Every time you go to prepare a meal, you should hone your knife. That's going to preserve the edge and make it a lot less work on you down the road, having to go in and resharpen once it gets dull. Here's looking forward to a better 2021. Remember, hone those knives, and I'll be seeing more of you, but hopefully not so much of me on the camera for you. Cheers.